What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Well, we gotta put up a fence to keep the neighbors' dogs out of Tube Town. Jeez. Well, anyhow, we're gonna put up a fence. We're gonna go ahead and put up a fence, a gate, and some barbed wire. Right now, I gotta go way back here on the property. There's about another 3 acres back here that we own, and there's some barbed wire back here I gotta go get. You never know. This is where the mama deer had the babies, and she leave the babies back here 2 years back. But I think it's too early for babies right now. Yeah, all this wooded area here, if I cleared it all out, it'd be about the same size as the field that you guys see over there on that side. But I just leave it all woods for the animals. And but over here in the fence line, I got some barbed wire. Oh, there's a rabbit. See the rabbit? Did you see him? Well, that's a wee rabbit. Well, he was over there somewhere. Maybe we'll see him again. Oh, speaking of rabbits, here, check out. So Rocco been hanging out. Well, evidently, he brought his parents over here. Here, look at this. Look at these two. Yeah, if you can see back in here, like all that's the same size as the field you guys see over there at Willis World, which this is an extension of Willis World. It's just, there used to be a nature trail over here. I used to walk on every day, but then I stopped. See, it's kind of like right here. Fence line's right here. You can see there's a church back over there through the woods. But I do have some barbed wire. Here it is right here. There it is. I need you. Come with me. Got my barbed wire. Let's get out of here. What I just came across. Nice rub. Nice buck right there. So there's the house. There's the barbed wire. I got some posts in these woods right here. We're gonna have to go in them and get them. They're back in here somewhere. Spider web. Back over here. There they are. Right there. There they are. 2 posts. Now I gotta get some wooden posts. There we go. I got the poles out. Wooden post for the barbed wire, and metal post for the gate. Now I have to go load up the gates. Let's go load the gates. They're over there. Gates are loaded. Poles are loaded. Are you guys ready to go to Tube Town? Oh yeah, Tube Town, baby. Well, we made it. A little bit of a detour there. Had to go help son-in-law Josh's boat. Actually, tire broke off, so just now getting there to Tube Town, but we got to put up a gate. So, you ready to put up a gate? We need a gate right there, right? Don't we? Yeah. So yeah, evidently the dogs keep running on here, so put us a gate. I'm gonna definitely offset it off the road here. That way you can pull in full car length off the road. So I have it back here. And then when people come up, they can stand here, take a picture themselves in front of Tube Town. Now that we'll have a gate, keep the dogs out. Getting it packed in. Hang the gate soon. There we have it. It's in. Solid too. It's in there deep. Now we'll hang this first gate on and this one will be done. I gotta get a hammer. Or a big pipe wrench to use as a hammer. Why'd you do it like that, Willis? Well, because all I have is a pipe wrench for right now. Boom. Hole number 2. Only makes sense, right? A low one and a high one. What do you guys think? I think we should leave it like that. Low side, high side. In all honesty, it really is fitting. So we're running with it. Well, did you see them? So I don't have those little things for the hang on the fence. But you know what I do have? Hinges. You sharpen it. If you don't know how to tie a knot, you tie a lot. We have 3 colors. Oh, are you guys even looking at me? So we will do 3 hinges. There you have it, all 3 hinges. Orange, fluorescent yellow, and green. Okay. Fence is up. Well, you ready to see it? Yeah? Okay. Bam! Not even 1, 2, 3 on that one. There we have it. We have a fence. We have a gate. Maybe that'll keep the dogs out. What do you guys think? You think that'll keep the dogs out? I mean, it fits Tube Town pretty good.